Do you know that a tiny habit could be silently destroying your life every single day? Laziness might feel harmless at first, it feels comfortable, safe, even relaxing. But here's the truth. What feels harmless now could be costing you your health, your career, your relationships, and even your confidence. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how laziness is holding you back, and more importantly, what you can do to finally take control. We all have those lazy moments. Hitting snooze for the third time, scrolling endlessly on your phone, avoiding tasks that you know you should do. It seems small, but these moments add up. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and before you know it, you're stuck in the same place, while life passes by. Sound familiar? Now, what if I told you that laziness is not just wasting your time, it's silently destroying your life in 7 hidden ways? Some of these effects you might already notice. Others are sneaky, so hidden that you don't even realize how much damage they're causing. Stick with me, because every one of these points matters. In this video, we're going to break down 7 hidden ways laziness is secretly ruining your life. I'll also show you small steps you can take to stop it today, no matter how stuck you feel right now. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to reclaim your time, energy, and confidence. Every hour you waste scrolling or avoiding work is time that's gone forever. It might feel small, a few minutes here, a few minutes there, but over weeks and months, it adds up to months of lost progress. Time is your most valuable resource. If you keep letting it slip away, your dreams will never have a chance to become reality. Laziness makes you wait for the perfect moment, and that perfect moment rarely comes. Opportunities pass while you hesitate. That new project, that chance to learn, that conversation that could have changed everything, it all slips by because you weren't ready to take action. Sitting too much, eating poorly, avoiding activity, these habits quietly damage your body and mind. It might not feel urgent today, but over time, low energy, stress, and health problems pile up. Your body is your engine, and laziness is like leaving it in neutral. Every task you avoid, every book you don't read, every skill you don't practice slowly puts you behind. While others improve and grow, you stay in the same spot. Laziness is like a silent weight, pulling you further from your potential. Being lazy with communication or effort pushes people away. Friendships, family bonds, and even professional connections need attention. When you stop giving your energy to relationships, you start losing the people who matter most. Every task you avoid chips away at your self-belief. The more you procrastinate, the more you doubt yourself. Laziness doesn't just steal your time, it steals your courage and your confidence to try again. When laziness takes over, life starts to feel like a loop. Days pass without progress, weeks go by with nothing to show, and you feel stuck, frustrated, and hopeless. The worst part? It's not always obvious until years have gone by. The good news? Every one of these 7 effects can be changed, starting today. Small, consistent action beats laziness. One step forward, no matter how small, starts breaking the cycle. So here's what I want you to do. If you promise yourself that you'll beat laziness and take control of your life, comment below. I will work hard from today. Let's do this together, one step at a time. Remember, the journey of success begins with one small action. Start now, and your future self will thank you.